Hey guys, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we want to go over the Oracle. It's a really well-known folding electric wheelchair. This chair can support 350 pounds of weight. Once you remove the batteries, it weighs about 41 pounds. It comes with 2 batteries as standard. And between the 2 batteries, you get 22 miles of range, which is really incredible. That's more than enough to get you around all day long. Has multiple color choices. This is yellow. It's not my favorite color, but some people might like this color. It's Airline approved, and one of my favorite features is that it's fast. It actually can get up to 6 miles per hour. So for a folding electric wheelchair, or let alone just any type of power chair or electric wheelchair, that's really fast. You're not going to find that usually around 4 or 5 miles per hour. So it's one of the faster ones on the market. So let's get into it. I'm going to show you some more about it and why it's a unique chair and why it's so popular too.
Hey, quick announcement. Just wanted to let you know we are giving away a free mobility scooter. In order to be eligible for the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and then also comment on any video. It can be this video or it can be any video on our channel. Once you do those 2 things, you'll be eligible for our next giveaway. We are doing this monthly and we will announce this on all of our social media platforms when the winner is announced. So just wanted to let you know. Now back to the video.
All right, so I'm going to go over some of these features on here. And we're going to start at the back. So on the back, we've got some storage in here, a little storage pouch. That's the only storage you have, unfortunately. We do have anti-tip wheels here that are adjustable. It's a little clip here, so I can pull this out and I can get more of an extension out if you wanted to have that. These are your motors, 2 250 watt motors. I'm going to power this off for now, but put both of these in manual or free wheel mode. Now you have these handles here, so you can push this like a manual wheelchair. So if you're a caretaker, you need or you ran out of battery life, no problem to do that. But when you operate it, you have to pull both of these levers back into the drive position in order to use this chair. So you got your batteries here on both sides. There's one here and there's one here. Now, when you first get the chair, there is a pigtail connector. So here's your battery connector. So I can connect this directly to the battery, or there's this another piece that comes with it. It's called a pigtail connector. So it splices it from here, and then it draws power from both batteries to give you that 22-mile range. As far as charging them, you can charge it directly on the joystick right here. And joystick is also, you can easily, if you're left-handed, it's easy to put on the left side. Here's the connector for the joysticks, and I'll show you here. I like this feature, especially when you're traveling. If I disconnect this, and then I can unscrew this and you can take this off, right? It's easy to put it on the other side. You just have to take the wiring and just kind of fish it through on this side, and then you connect it on here. So easy to do that. You can also adjust the length. So if you're tall or you're short, connect it right there, and then you just tighten this into place. And then I'll just reconnect this. So that's one way of removing or charging it, right? So you can put the joystick on either side. Also, you can remove these batteries and charge it directly on the charging port. You can only charge one battery at a time, but that's easy to do. You just press this button and it kind of lifts up, and then you disconnect the power supply, but you can bring these batteries inside your home and charge them, so you don't have to bring the whole chair in. So you have that option. Also, in the armrest, they flip up for easy transfers.
So when you order a product that's made by Discover Your Mobility, you actually get a lot of free stuff that comes with it. And I'm going to go over that with you real quick. So what you're going to receive is an umbrella, which can be mounted to your mobility scooter or electric wheelchair. You're also going to get touch-up paint. You're going to receive an arm bag holder that can go on the armrest. You're going to get a cup holder. Now this cup holder is for a mobility scooter And this cup holder is for the electric wheelchair. You're going to get a cane holder. You're going to get a safety flag. You're going to get an oxygen tank holder. You're going to get a car charger. And you're going to get a headlight. And this is also a horn as well. And you're going to get a cover. So you get all this stuff for free. Share that with you. Now back to the video.
As far as the, there's a seat cushion on here. So it's connected by Velcro. I also have the seat belt. I can pull this up on the seat back and take this off. So I'll leave these off for now because I'm going to show you how to fold it. Down here is this is your calf pad. Gives you a little calf support. I can take one of these off, and if I flip these up, you can get out that way, right? Or I can pull these knobs up and twist them to the side, and you can get out of the chair that way. And then when you're folding them, you just pull these right out. The next step in folding, you want to press these buttons here. These fold down. So you got the seat back folded down. Then you can pull these handles and just fold it inward. So really compact. Again, 41 pounds without the batteries. Super lightweight.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. You can also click on free catalog at the top of our website and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
So I'll unfold it. Put these leg rests back on. So you just set it in here and then use this little C clamp, and I lift this up and this will connect into here in this hole. Reattach the calf pad. Put the cushions back on. And that's it. That's how you would unfold the unit. Now I'll go over the joystick with you. It's got a nice digital display. Pretty simplistic. You just power it on. Now the screen's probably going to show this jumping around, but that's because of it's being filmed, but it doesn't really jump around like this. So you got your speed in kilometers, got your battery life, and then here's your speed control. So you can adjust the speed control by pressing the plus and minus. You got a horn. And that's pretty much it. Take it for a little spin, and I'll show you. It's so fast. We'll go off-road, see how it handles in the grass. It's handling grass just fine. And that noise you hear are the anti-tip wheels spinning in the grass. Oh, one other thing is I forgot to mention, this is a brand new unit, so there's plastic wrap around the front wheel, which I have not taken off. But all in all, really good, nice folding electric wheelchair, and especially if you want something fast. We definitely get people who call and say they want a fast electric wheelchair. So you're not going to get one faster than this, if I'm honest with you. If you have any questions about the Oracle or any of these other Discover Your Mobility products, give us a call. We're open every day. Phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. We'd love to earn your business. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.